steam turbine, Latino, European, LNG to Embark, many companies now are really doing ecological investments, like if we have local energy, gas, how can we set these gas projects and therefore exploit this energy which is local. Candina is starting to do so within the Colombian waters with a ship that has LNG steam turbines. So if you happen to be a Latino officer with steam turbine, please apply. Also ratings with experience LNG, apply. Very good English. Venezuela, Panama, Peru. But if you happen to have this experience, then apply also Candina. There is a huge possibility in the future. So if you really invest within LNG segment, then that investment no one will take away from you. Same thing for Europeans. If you are European and then you're thinking that perhaps trading to Qatar is not up to your standards, you need to be closer to your home. You're looking for Belgian flag, European social security. You're looking for a 6 weeks on-off contract. If you are an AB, 3,200 euros, then the rest of the crew will need to negotiate and talk one-to-one about the steam turbine experience. Also LNG ships Belgian coast, and this is going to be expanding. So if you're now sailing within Asia or Qatar or any other country, but you really want to be closer to your home, and you want to be closer to the social security, the Belgian social security, apply urgently if you are European, because this is a possibility to really get the job very close to your home and invest in yourself and invest in this very good, excellent ship owner that is really moving forward to these regas projects within the planet. Thank you. Bye.